Good morning. It's the second day of the school holidays and as you can see I'm looking quite tired. I haven't been filming much for the last week. I think the last video I put out was maybe last Sunday, but I've just been feeling really burnt out and I think it's kind of coming out in my body. I went to the doctor yesterday because I've got like what she said, it's dermatitis like on my face. I've also been having some bad allergies and yeah, just feeling extremely tired. And it did not help that daylight savings hit, so our clocks went back an hour. And I felt like I was jet lagged for like 2 days and I'm only just coming right from that. I'm at home with the kids today, so I'm able to sit here and enjoy my coffee and think about what we're going to do for the day because it is absolutely bucketing down outside and it has been since yesterday. It's not so bad if we can't get outside with my daughter, but my 4-year-old son he does not like being cooped up inside, so we're going to have to find something to do. But for now, I'm just going to sit and enjoy my coffee. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. What should we make for breakfast, Mr. D? Some new shoes that we ordered arrived this morning, so I'm going to wear those. These are the Club C Vintage Chalk Black Gum Reebok sneakers and they were $130. I thought they were on sale. I have to check that. Actually have to jump on a work call just for like half an hour now and then we're gonna head out. So we got this new bookcase from IKEA. We've got a ton of board games that we need to clear out, so I think they're going to go into the bottom of here. This is what I mean by a ton of board games. I'm scared to even lift one thing out because I'm scared it's all just going to come tumbling out. Just come into the daylight and I just wanted to show you because I've got dermatitis on my face and I went to the doctor yesterday. I've never had it before, but basically, I don't know if you can see, but it's like all red here and my skin, particularly around my chin, is all inflamed and it's been so itchy. Like I really want to scratch at it, but obviously that's not the best thing to do. So the doctor actually gave me some antibiotics, which I've started, and she said hopefully it should clear up within a week or so. But yeah, I can't put anything on my face. I can't put moisturiser on, anything. All I'm doing is just using a Cetaphil, like gentle face wash, and that's it. And so my skin feels so dry. Anyway, we're gonna go for a walk. The rain stopped. Very cute.
Oh, let's be pretty.
Oh, we're gonna jump from here? Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Should we get some hot chips?
Yeah. Why do we need
Chicken and chips or hot chips?
chicken and chips or hot chips? Chickens and chips.
Chicken and chips. And can I get a iced matcha latte and a chicken and chips and a fluffy, please. Kids, chicken and chips, Red.
There's a green drink for you. He matches.
We can go to the park after this, but it might still be wet.
What's this one? That one has the dots.
What do you think it's going to drill into? There's an absolute ton of these developments going on around here at the moment. One bedroom from 539,000, two bedrooms 725,000, three bedrooms from 875,000. Now that looks like fun. Okay, I'm going through all these board games and puzzles. Some of these were gifts, some of them we've found at op shops. My mum's really good at finding games and puzzles and stuff from op shops. I've kind of collected over the years. Some of them probably aren't really age appropriate anymore, so we might be able to hand those down to somebody. And I think I'll try and put them into like puzzles, card games and board games, I think. So puzzles, puzzle. These are quite cute. I made these for my son, who's really into number blocks. And I made each cube of the number blocks. I'll see if he wants to do that now. Actually, that might keep him occupied for a while. What colour's number 9?
Grey.
Okay, so first we need to get all the grey bits.
First of all, we need to connect them. Mum.
Oh, where's the other bit of his eye? This one? There you go. Good job. And then that has to get worse before it gets better stage. Ugh. It is so humid, I'm gonna have to put the air conditioning on. Putting all the board games in the bottom, puzzles, second level. And then I think I'm gonna keep all like the smaller card games and stuff in those cupboards. Okay, I think I'm all done for now. All the puzzles and board games are down here. There's just a pile of stuff to go into the rubbish. And these cupboards are looking a little better. 20 to 3 already, so we'll go and maybe go to the park for an hour or so, and then we're going to go to Sushi Train for dinner. We got some money given to us for Easter, so we thought we'd all go out and have a nice dinner instead of spending it on chocolates. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.